Hey guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you what I eat as a pre and post-workout meal. They're a recipe that are high in protein and also vegan. And I'm also gonna show you a snack idea that you can either have as a pre or post-workout. So if you wanna know more, then just keep on watching. As a pre-workout meal, I like to have a bowl of oatmeal. Start by adding half a cup of oats to a bowl. Then I'm just covering my oats with some boiling water and giving that a nice stir to let them cook. After a few minutes, your oats should be cooked and you can now add about half a cup of plant milk. For a sweet taste, I'm adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon. After that, I'm just topping my oats with half a banana, berries, a tablespoon of sunflower seeds, which are really high in protein and loaded with healthy fats. I'm also adding a tablespoon of peanut butter to make things extra delicious and also add an extra boost of protein. I'm someone that needs to eat before I work out, so this is a really good meal for me. It's high in protein and it's going to give me energy throughout my workout. This next recipe is great as either a pre or post-workout snack. First, I'll show you how to make this chocolate peanut butter spread. To a bowl, add a teaspoon of cocoa powder. For some sweetness, I'm also adding a teaspoon of maple syrup. Finally, I'm mixing in 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. Mix everything until the ingredients are all combined. Honestly, this tastes so delicious and it is actually really healthy. To have it as a healthy snack, I like to add the peanut butter spread to some rice cakes. I added some cut up bananas on top of this chocolate rice cake to make it extra delicious. Another really simple way to have a rice cake as a pre or post workout snack is just to add some natural peanut butter on them and top it off with any fruit that you have. Here I just added some raspberries. These are some of my favorite snacks to have. They are really healthy and have a lot of protein. As a good post-workout meal, I like to have this hummus and quinoa wrap. To a whole wheat wrap, add about 2 tablespoons of hummus. Then add as much veggies as you can. I added about a cup of spinach, 1 carrot, and red onions. For protein, I added some leftover quinoa that I had in my fridge. For even more protein, I added a tablespoon of sunflower seeds. I ate this wrap with some veggies on the side and another tablespoon of hummus. This is a really filling and healthy meal to have as a post-workout. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe because I upload every week. If you haven't seen my last video, which was a high protein vegan meal prep, I'll go ahead and link it right here so you can go ahead and watch that. Don't forget to leave your comments down below and tell me what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!